Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to see comparison of fractions. Okay. So let's move on to our topic. Comparison of like fraction can be done by comparing the numerators. Okay. First we can discuss this definition. Next we can move to this example. Okay. From the example you will get clear idea about like fraction. Okay, my dears. See, the fractions with the smallest numerator will be the smallest fraction. Okay, these are the two concepts. Okay, first, what is the first concept? Comparison of like fractions can be done by comparing the numerator. What's next concept? The fractions with the smallest numerator will be the smallest fraction. Keep this two concept in the mind. First, before that, I want to know, somebody have doubt, some students have doubt in numerator and denominator. Okay, here I am going to explain what is numerator and what is denominator. Okay, simple concept. Here, consider this line. Above the line is called numerator. Above the line is called what, ma? Numerator. Below the line is called denominator. Okay, this is simple concept for easy understanding. Deno means down. Below the line, above the line, numerator. Below the line, denominator. Always think down, denominator. Likewise, you want to remember this point clearly. Okay, come to our example. First concept, what's our first concept? What we seen already? Comparison of like fraction can be done by comparing the numerator. What is like fraction? If the denominator is same, numerator is different, it is called a like fraction. Okay, always remember what is like fraction. What's the condition for like fraction? If a fraction is said to be like fraction, denominator is same. The denominators are same. It is called as like fraction. So, comparison of like fraction can be done by comparing the numerators. Okay. Here, the given example 5 by 9, 7 by 9, 8 by 9 is a like fraction. Okay. Are you clear? Why? Because denominators are same. If the denominators are same, it is called like fraction. Next, the fraction with the smallest numerator will be the smallest fraction. Okay. Here all the denominators are same. So, come to the numerator. What are the numerators are here? 5, 7, 8. Okay. The denominators are same. Next, the fraction with the smallest numerator will be the smallest fraction. Which is the smallest numerator here? 5, 7, 8. Which is smaller? Which is smaller, my dears? 5 is the smallest numerator. So, 5 by 9 is the smallest fraction. Are you clear? Which is the biggest fraction? A fraction numerator with biggest number will be the biggest fraction. Here biggest fraction is what, ma? 8. 8 by 9 is the biggest. 5 by 9 is the smallest. Okay. Always remember one thing. If the fraction is said to be a like fraction, denominators must be same. Okay. So, clear with this. You should clear with this concept. What's the first concept we learned? Comparison of like fraction can be. How to done comparison of like fraction? By comparing the numerator. Okay. After comparing the numerator, the fraction with the smallest numerator will be the smallest fraction. Biggest numerator will be the biggest fraction. Okay, dears. So, come to our next point. Next, comparison of unlike fraction. Okay. Comparison of unlike fraction with the same numerator can be done by comparing the denominator. Okay. The fraction with the greatest denominator will be the smallest fraction. Like previous, by heart this or understand this like two concept. Comparison of unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means what's the concept of unlike fraction? Different denominators. Here what ma? Here same denominator. So we called as like. Same means same denominator means like. Different denominators. So unlike fraction. How to compare this unlike fraction? This comparison of unlike fraction with the same numerator. Here the given question contains same numerator. Okay, same numerator can be done by comparing the denominator. Okay, fraction with the greatest denominator will be the smallest fraction. Okay. Don't get confused. Come to our example. From the example you can learn easily. Okay. Come to this example. 4 by 7, 4 by 5 and 4 by 12. Okay. In this example, numerators are same. 4, 4, 4. Come to the denominator. Come to the denominator 7, 5, 12. Okay. So, fraction with the greatest denominator will be the smallest fraction. Okay. Here we are going to compare these three fractions. So, here what is the given term is here the numerators are same but denominators are different. So, this is the condition. If the numerators are same, denominators are different means don't worry. Very simple, very easily we can answer. Okay. So, if the numerators are same, different denominators means how to find the smallest fraction. Here, denominator which is the greatest number 7, 5, 12 which is the biggest number my dears. 12 is the biggest number. Next biggest number 7. Next 5. Okay. So, fraction with the greatest denominator will be the smallest. So, now write fraction with the greatest denominator will be the smallest. So, 4 by 12 is less than 4 by 7 less than 4 by 5. Are you clear? Okay. Listen very carefully. Here if the denominators are same, if the numerators are same, denominators are different, what is the condition? First, write the biggest denominator first. Okay. The fraction with the biggest denominator is the smallest fraction. Are you clear? What we learned before? If the denominators are same, what is the condition? The numerator with smallest number is the smallest fraction. Okay. Here which is smaller here? 5 is smaller. So 5 will come first. Next which is smaller? 7. So 5 by 9 is less than 7 by 9 less than 8 by 9. Okay. If the denominators are same, numerators are different, what is the condition? Smallest numerator will be the smallest fraction. Okay. Here what is the condition? Greatest denominator will be the smallest fraction. Okay. Greatest denominator will be the smallest fraction. Okay. Are you clear? Don't get confused. Okay, my dears. So, since the numerators of the fractions are same, the number with the greatest denominator is the smallest fraction. So, 4 by 12, first time, so 4 by 12 less than 4 by 7 less than 4 by 5. Okay. Come to our next example. Compare 1 by 3 and 4 by 5. If you want to compare two number, we want to make, now it is an unlike fraction, I am right? Yes. We can't compare unlike fraction. Okay. So, now 1 by 3, 4 by 5 we can say definitely it is an unlike fraction, I am right? Already we seen what is like fraction? The denominator should be same. The denominators are same, we can say as a like fraction. Here it is an unlike fraction. First we want to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. Like fraction. Okay, 5 by 9, these are the like fractions. This is a 1 by 3, 4 by 5 are the unlike fraction. Different denominators. So, unlike fraction. First, we want to convert this into like fraction. Okay, here different denominators are there. Here 3, here 5. So, make them as same. And convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. Okay. So, for converting this unlike fraction into like fraction, for our first step is we want to find LCM, lowest common multiple of this 3 and 5. LCM of denominator. Okay, what is the first step? We want to find the LCM of denominator. Always see, before we seen two examples, there we won't take LCM. Why? Because they are, first example, they are like fractions. Second example, numerator is same. So we can easily find which is greater, which is smaller. Here both are unlike fractions. So if both are unlike means, what is the first step? We want to find the LCM of denominator 3 and 5. Okay. So come to this LCM 3, 5. Okay. 3, 5. LCM of 3, 5. Take 3 and 5 together. Okay. So we can use prime numbers for LCM. Prime numbers 3, 5. So 3, leave it. Come to this LCM part. 3 and 5 is here, isn't it? So 3 table. Whether in 3 table 5 is here. In 3 table, first we can use 3. 3, 5. Whether we can see 3 and 5 in a single table? No. I'm right? So 3. And first I am using 3 table. Okay. 1, 3 is 3. So here put 1. Here write 1. Put comma. Write the 5 as it is. Don't write anything. Write the 5 as it is. Now here 1. Don't worry about that. Next number 5. 5 alone is there. Write 5 here. 1, 1. Okay. So what is the LCM now? 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Into 1 also we can take. Okay. What is the answer? 3 into 5 into 1. 3 5s are 15. 15 into 1. 15. Okay. This is the LCM of 3 and 5. Okay guys. After finding LCM, we are moving to the second step. Okay. Second step. Step 2. Listen very carefully. Take the very first fraction. Take the very first fraction. What's the very first fraction? 1 by 3. Okay, write our first fraction 1 by 3. Okay. Put a multiplication symbol. Leave some space. Now remember, our denominator is 15. Okay. Our denominator is what, ma? Why? Because here our LCM. Now our LCM is our denominator. We are going to convert into like fraction. If a fraction is said to be like fraction, what is the condition? Denominator should be same. Okay. Here our denominator is 15. That we know. Okay. But we don't know about the numerator. I'm right. Here also one fraction will come. If you multiply this, we will get 15. So what is the possibility? Which number we want to use here to get 15? What is the possibility? 3 into which number gives 15? What is the possibilities? 3 table. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 5, 15. I'm right? So 5 will come here. We know definitely the denominator should be 15. No, there is no change in that. Definitely denominator should be 15. Okay. So 3 is here, that we know. Confirm. So with which number we multiply with 3, we will get 15. Exactly 5. 5 is the exact number. So obviously 5 will come in numerator also. Okay. If the denominator is 5 means numerator also 5 only. Okay guys. So what is the answer? 5 3s are 15. 1 into 5, 5. So now we are converting this 1 by 3 into what? 1 by 3 is now converting to 5 by 15. Our aim is we want to make this fraction into like fraction. Okay. Come to our next number. What's our next number? 4 by 5. Right here. 4 by 5. Put a multiplication symbol. Put a dash. One fraction will come. But we don't know what is that. Leave it. But we know denominator should be 15. I'm right. Here come to this 5 table. What are the possibilities of getting 15 in 5 table? 5. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. Yes, 3 5s are 15. So 5 into 3 gives 15. Obviously, if denominator we are using 3 means numerator also 3 only. No other way. No, there's no changes in that. So 4 into 3, what's the answer? 12. So we are converting 4 by 5 to 12 by 15. Okay. Are we clear, ma? So now we are going to compare. Okay. What are the new fractions? What we got? What we will get now? 5 by 15 is one of the fraction. And what is the next fraction, ma? 12 by 15 another fraction. Already we learned what is the, now it become a like fraction. I am right. If the fraction is a like fraction, we can easily identify which is the smallest. I am right. So if the, when we can say fractions are like fractions, their denominators are same. Here also denominators are same. Denominator is same. We want to compare the numerator. The fraction with the smallest numerator will be the smallest fraction. I am right. So which is smaller here? 5 by 15 is less than 12 by 15. Okay, this is the answer. But what is the original of this form? 5 by 15 is we are converting. We are convert to like fraction. Before, what is in the question? What they given? 5 by 15 is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 less than, instead of 12 by 15, 4 by 5. So 1 by 3 is less than 4 by 5. Are you clear, my dears? Thank you.